Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be talking about disc brakes. Now, if you want disc brakes on your Mopar, you could actually swap to a 79 Murata or Cordoba or Monaco or Volare spindle. So that's a spindle off of a 79 Murata, and it will fit the lower control arm on a 67B body or any Mopar. So you don't have to. There's ways around that. You can go with a wheel width setup or get a different Moog kit for a different Moog disc brake kit that for a B body or any Mopar. But yeah, they are interchangeable. So there you go.